What is good, YouTube? It is finally here. You guys have bullied me out of it. You guys want to learn about stocks and how to trade stocks and how to invest in stocks, okay? So as you guys can tell by today's video, this video is going to be a guide to guide beginners on what is stocks and how to invest in stocks, okay? So make sure you guys pay close attention. You guys have asked for this video. Now that you made the money, we stand down, you making the money. Now it's time to learn how to invest the money, because that is the smartest way. That is the way to wealth, and that is the way to a better life in the end, right? But before I put you guys on how to trade and how to invest into some stocks, everybody's been asking me, hey Reese, man, how are you making extra money online? And I need extra ways to make money online. That's why I want to tell you guys that I've recently partnered with this beautiful, beautiful brand called Team Dropshipping. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably one of the most easiest ways that I've ever started to make money online. When I first started getting into digital marketing and e-com, I literally thought that you needed a warehouse, I thought you needed products, I thought you needed all that type of stuff. But what's crazy, you don't need any of those things. Literally, this is all you do. You simply just pick a product, list it online, and when someone buys it, they literally handle all the shipping and all the ordering. They handle all that tough stuff for you. Let me tell you guys why I really rock with Team, and I really feel like you guys should get on this wave. First off, you don't need to buy any inventory up front. Second off, a lot of you guys are complaining about, oh, I don't know how to start. I need this fancy technology. I don't have a MacBook. All you guys simply need is simply your iPhone. And because I'm a hustler, the number one thing I love about Team is their affiliate program. As you guys can see, they allow you guys to earn up to 2.5% on commission on every deal made by users who register through the affiliate link for an entire year. Does that not sound like a deal to you guys? So if you guys are into e-com, drop shipping, or you would just want to learn how to make some extra money online, make sure you guys click the link in the description below, or click the link that's pinned in the comments and go sign up for Team Dropshipping. Back to the video, because this is not just going to be any random video teaching you guys about stocks and all that type of stuff. This is gonna be specifically, we're going into specific stocks. All right, it's not just a boring, vague tutorial. We're getting hands-on, so let's get straight into it. Right, got my whiteboard back with me today because I just know you guys just love it so much when I bring out my whiteboard and I just act professional. Right, so first off, let's walk you guys through it. I know a lot of you guys may be new to stocks. That's okay. Stocks, they sound scary. It sounds very gamble-ish. But I want to tell you guys, there's a safe way to invest. And this is probably, I have written down the most safest formula to invest. All right. So first thing, right? Download Robinhood. We are going to be investing on Robinhood because we're either going to do this my way or no way. All right. So go ahead, download Robinhood on your phone. Right. Next, you guys are going to be creating a brokerage account. This is your brokerage account. Their brokerage account allows you to invest in the S&P 500 and all those good in the VOO and all those good things. That's what it's going to allow you to do. That's why we need a brokerage account, an individual brokerage account. All right, to be specific. So step number 2, after you have downloaded Robinhood, you got your individual brokerage account. Now we are going to link our bank account. They're going to ask you for all your information. So make sure you have your ID. Have your ID ready, your social security, all those, just your basic things that every U.S. citizen needs, because unfortunately, this is only U.S. citizen based. So for my foreigners, because as you guys know, the S&P 500 is the top 500 companies in the U.S. So I'm so sorry. I am so sorry for my foreign people on here. I'm trying to cook up something for you guys. I'm trying to learn more, but all I can do is I can just go off of what I know. Okay, so just forgive me in the long run. All right, but make sure so you can link your bank account. Step number 2, link your bank account, all your information. So first off, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click transfer. We're gonna tap transfer. We're gonna deposit some money. Right, we need to put some money in there so we can start investing. You guys get what I'm saying? So number 3, which brings me to, what are we going to be throwing our money into? The S&P 500. All right, the S&P 500 is the top 500 companies in the U.S. So anything that you can think of, I'm talking Tesla, Google, Amazon, Netflix, whatever you can name, whatever you can think of, that is the S&P 500, right? The S&P 500 is what builds the wealth. All right. Now, of course, one thing I want to get out the way, disclaimer, there you cannot just specifically invest into the S&P 500. That's why the S&P 500 consists of three different things, right? We have the VOO, which is the Vanguard ETF Trust Fund, because these are ETFs, all right? And then we have the SPY, and then we have the IVV. Now, we are going to be choosing the VOO, the Vanguard Trust ETF Fund. That is the one that we are going to be choosing on the channel, because I'm going to lead you guys down the path of greatness. All right. Okay. But step 4. Now we are going to choose it in dollars. We're going to buy our shares in dollars, not shares. I mean, buy our stocks in dollars, not shares. Why we are buying it in dollars? The reason why we buy it in dollars is because if you buy it in shares, let's say you want to buy a few shares in stocks, right? Let's say you want to buy a few shares and you buy it in shares. It's going to be like $200 to like $200. Okay. We know we stand down. We invest in small, little by little. You know what I'm saying? You don't even know if this is for you yet. You don't know if you're going to stay through, go through with this all. I hope you do, but you don't know yet. So we buy it in dollars, right? So basically, we can invest little by little, 10, 25, 50, whatever you feel comfortable investing, right? So choose dollars, not shares. Okay, get that out the way. Now, step number 5. Okay, after we have invested into the VOO, the Vanguard ETF Trust Fund, now we're gonna choose some growth stocks. This is where it gets spicy. This is where it gets good. Okay, because your S&P 500. That is like your safety net. I want you guys to look at that like the safety net. And what the VOO allows you to do, it tracks the S&P 500's growth, right? So that's why we choose the VOO, because that's like your analytics, right? That's like when you're doing your analytic work. It's gonna track it to let you know when it's up. It's gonna let you know when it's down. One thing I want to tell you guys about stocks: the stock market gonna go up and it's gonna go down, but they gotta go back up. That's every model for every stock trader, for everybody who knows stocks. The market gonna go up, it's gonna go down, but they gotta go back up. That's what I want you guys to know. All right. But that's a little off topic though. So our growth stocks. Now, I got 2 growth stocks for you guys. You can choose one, or you can go off the one that I'm with. All right. Or you can do both. Doesn't matter. But the thing about a growth stock is high reward, but also high risk. Okay, high reward, high risk. That's why we're going to get into how much we should actually be throwing in these growth stocks. You know what I'm saying? Because we don't throw all our money into the growth stocks. Now, the 2 growth stocks that we have are the NVIDIA. Sorry, guys, I had to change it. You know what I'm saying? I actually spelled it wrong, right? It's the NVIDIA. You guys know what I'm saying? So why are all these 2 stocks? Why are we gonna consume most of our money into them? Why are we investing our time and our hard-earned money to these things? Because it is 2026. All right, the NVIDIA, that is AI. What is coming? What is it? What is coming to replace so many jobs? AI. Right? You guys need to be chat GBT stuff all the time, right? You got kids. You got little kids that are in college, man. These kids in college, they don't learn anymore. They AI in this stuff, bro. The AI writing their reports. AI is building you businesses. AI is taking so many jobs. So why would we not invest in AI? Why would we not invest in tech? Elon Musk, they're dropping so many things like Tesla and all these type of they got all these energy powered stuff and all this stuff that doesn't rely on gas and all those type of things. And so that's why we're going the tech route. We're going in Microsoft, of course, Microsoft, that's like a computer, all that type of stuff, things that are very, very going up in the world. It's so important, right? See, the thing about stocks, the thing that they don't tell you about stocks is more than just, you taking the money and you transferring it and you investing into it. No, do your research. Stock, you know what I'm saying? Investing in stocks is not for everybody, because everybody don't take the time to actually learn things. You do have to learn about the stock. You know what I'm saying? Like, in order to become a great investor, you got to do your research. You have to learn. You got to get hands on. You got to keep investing consistently. You got to get hands on, right? Hey, I'm a young unk. I watch the news. I'm on my phone. I'm learning new things every day. So this, you know what I'm saying? So get involved into it. You want to be a great investor, get involved. Okay. Now that we got the reason why, now let's talk about how much you guys need to be investing, right? To make sure that you're not losing your investments and make sure that you are building generational wealth. But one thing I want to let you guys know, it is stay down till you come up. The S&P 500 is what builds the wealth. So stay down. Let's stay down. But let's go ahead and see how much we should be investing into it. So 70 to 80% should be going into the VOO, the Vanguard ETF Trust Fund, right? That is your safety net. That is to make sure that we're not taking L's. You guys get what I'm saying? Because the growth stocks, high risk, high reward though, right? High reward, high risk. It can go up, it can fluctuate, or it can go down. But good thing, me personally, I have not seen no major decreases because, like I told you guys, AI is coming. The technology is booming. So it's important to know what you're investing in. But growth stocks can go up and go down. I just have to, of course, tell you guys that. Now, put 70 to 80% inside the VOO, your safety net, and then the other 20-30 into your growth stocks, into Microsoft or the NVIDIA. That is a very interesting word or company name. It always gets me for some reason, right? Because the S&P 500, it builds the wealth. And the growth stocks, that is what can accelerate the process a lot faster. Because I want to show you guys something. As you guys can see on the screen, this is today. A lot of you who follow me on Instagram also seen this. The NVIDIA is up 5% today, right? So if you are in the stock market, it's a great day to be in the stock market. And it's a great day to be investing in AI. I'm trying to tell you guys, this is the way. This is the way. This is the way to build generational wealth. Right? It's just we invest our money in the stocks because, these are the things that are in the world daily. These are the things that, we are watching before our eyes. Like, you own a share of that company. You own a share of that company. I think that's what people, they don't tell you as well. When the company does good, you do good, right? That's why it's so important to learn. Watch the news, watch these different things, watch what's going on in the world, because that's your pockets. Those are your pockets, right? So me personally, I wouldn't be investing my stuff into gas and all those type of things, because you guys see gas is skyrocket high because of the war, right? You guys have to pay attention to the war, pay attention to Iran, pay attention to what Trump, you guys have to pay attention to those things too, right? So you can know what to invest in. All that stuff matters. Now, the biggest thing though is to stay consistent, bro. The market is going to go up. The market is going to go down, but you have to keep investing, keep going crazy, right? And the last thing I want to say before we cap off the video is the reason why we do the S&P 500, because the S&P 500 is the most proven study case stock that just rises. It just keeps going up. The percent return on it is a 10 to 12% each year, right? So let's say you put in about 10,000, you probably gonna get about, possibly depending on what growth stock you pick on, you put about 10,000 in over a year, you might get 30,000 back, right? Oh, also even better, like literally that $100 investment that you make a month can easily turn to 100K over time, being consistent, investing into the right things, and investing consistently, most important, right? This is literally how you can take your small wealth from your 9-to-5 jobs and easily flip $100 to 100K. And then that 100K into $1 million. There are people literally becoming millionaires off the stock market. That's the one thing I want you guys to realize. It's so important to invest your money into different things, right? You know what I'm saying? And don't worry about this. That's just for marketing, right? Of course, we invest in daily. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm taking $20-$30 a day and we just throwing into the, you know what I'm saying? And I told you, like I showed you guys, telling you AI is booming right now. AI is booming. Invest in AI, invest in tech. Trying to tell y'all. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. This was just a video for beginners. This is just to get your feet wet. This is not everything. We're going to get deep into it, or we're going to dive deep into this stuff. We're going to become stock fanatics. All right. We're going to be rich. Stay down with me, though. I need you to stay down. Can you stay down with me just for a few years so we can get rich? Just for a few years. Stay down with me. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'm on my way to go see Michael Jackson, so I'm actually pretty excited. Y'all know I love this. Y'all know me back with more content, man. Hey,